Remember to subscribe Happy Parenting and click the bell icon for more videos.
10 bottle feeding mistakes to avoid for newborn baby. When you're a parent, you have to bottle feed your baby, so it's important that you do it correctly. You need to know how to do it so that your baby is not sick or injured. Bottling is a very important skill for a parent, and learning how to bottle feed properly can help your child grow up healthy. So watch the full video to know 10 bottle feeding mistakes that parents usually make which can harm your baby's health. Feed your baby every time he cries. Babies do not only cry when they need food, so don't feed them every time they start crying. Overfeeding them will lead to reduced growth of their body. Heat the formula in the microwave. Microwaves can kill important vitamins and minerals and heat foods to dangerous temperatures. Heat the formula slowly on the stove in a pot of hot water. Vitamins C, E, and B6 are destroyed during microwaving. Burp the baby every time after feeding isn't necessary, if burping is the first thing that comes to your mind after feeding your baby, otherwise gas will flow through his tiny, delicate tummy and can cause pain. Don't sterilize the bottles properly. Sterilization kills the microbes inside of the bottles. If you don't sterilize your baby bottles, they can be dangerous to drink from. Choose a wide-hold nipple. The most common type of nipple is the wide-hold one, which is usually used by women. This kind of nipple disrupts the free flow of milk, which causes swallowing a lot of air instead of milk. Let them feed alone. If your baby is not old enough to get a good grip on the bottle, don't them hold the bottle alone while feeding. Sleep with a bottle. Don't let your baby fall asleep with the bottle, causes a baby can experience dangers from having a bottle while sleeping. Reuse the leftovers. Don't reuse the leftover formula. Bacteria from your baby's mouth can enter the milk, which turns harmful to your baby's health. Force them to finish the bottle. If your baby is refusing to finish the whole bottle, don't force him. Force feeding to a baby can prove harmful. Mix more water to save money. Determine the correct constitution or formula of liquid versus powder. Be mixed in order to get a specific result from your purchased product. Step-by-step guide to bottle feed your baby. 1. Find a position that is safe for your baby and comfortable for you first. 2. Hold the bottle horizontally so that your child must gently suck it in order to obtain the milk. 3. Make sure the milk completely fills the nipple to prevent your baby from gulping in too much air, which could cause gas and fussiness. 4. Every few minutes, you should stop and softly burp the infant. During a feeding, if they are extremely fidgety, they can have a gas bubble. Take a break and softly massage or rub their back. 5. Take advantage of the chance to strengthen your relationship with your infant. Make feeding time fun by holding them near, gazing into their big eyes, singing soft tunes, and holding them tight. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe the channel.